Muhammad from Malaysia.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam tullah.
How are you doing, Sheikh?
Alhamdulillah.
Sheikh, my question is, can I go bowling at a place where they play music in the arcade section, meaning they don't actually play music in the bowling section itself, but they play the music in the arcade section, which is kind of close to each other. Would that be permissible? Jazakallahu khairan.
Oh, jazakum. Playing bowling is a halal game, a fun game. There's no problem in that. And if you are able to go to a place that has no music in it, you should. But if this is the only place and it has music, then you have to eliminate listening to music, because it is not a necessity for you to go to the bowling alley. It's not a life and death. There are so many other alternatives. And for you, Muhammad, in Malaysia, you have hundreds of thousands of badminton courts. And now I think squash is also spreading in your country, because mashallah you have a couple of good players there. Why not pick something up like that has less haram? If you insist and say, well, I love bowling and I enjoy it and I'm always hitting strikes like crazy, I say, okay, then eliminate the music, either by talking to them, asking them to shut it down, which most likely they won't, or by putting a headset that would eliminate the music from reaching your hearing, and Allah knows best.